First and foremost, I want to thank God because without him, this would not be possible. I would not even be making this video. What is good, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model, and I'm here today to give you guys the rundown on how you can make residual income on TEMU. Now, I'm talking about the trip, I'm talking about the food, I'm talking about the expenses, I'm talking about the Airbnb. Okay, y'all, I'm talking about everything I was able to use and fund with my TEMU residual income. Before I get in the rundown on how I was able to do this, I just want to let you guys know, first and foremost, it was only God. Everything that he has done for me thus far, you know, when it comes to this channel, when it comes to everything, I'm just very, very grateful. So I really want to thank him first and foremost. You already know it was God. You know, so let's just be clear with that one. I'm gonna get into the nitty-gritty, let you guys know exactly how I was able to do this so that if you want to do this, you can as well. I kind of want to get into the ways that you can actually make money on TEMU. I'm going to get into it in a small matter, and then I'm going to get into the big way that you can actually make really, really good money on TEMU. I'm not talking about chump change, all right? I'm talking about big money that you're able to go on vacations, that you're able to save, that you're able to do whatever you want. There are a few ways that you can actually make money on TEMU. You can actually play the games. They have multiple games on TEMU that you can actually play. You can invite your friends, you can invite new users, and it gives you coins and it gives you points in return, and in that return you can actually win more money. How TEMU works is using PayPal. Okay, PayPal is one of the biggest payouts for TEMU, and they usually give the money through PayPal. So you want to make sure that you set up a PayPal account when you're using any of these methods to make money on TEMU. All right, so that's the first thing you want to do. If you don't have a PayPal account, get you a PayPal account and set it up, and then set up your TEMU that way. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that you can also, and if you don't want to actually make residual income, you can also get freebies. So you can also get free items on TEMU if you play your cards right. If you're sharing the code that TEMU sends you to play these games. Okay, and there's multiple new people that I have not heard of TEMU. So if you're good with like promoting and sharing, it will work wonders for you. Okay, it will work wonders for you, but you have to know how to do it. All right, so I just want to get into the big way that you were able to make a lot of money on TEMU. When I say a lot, it's phenomenal, you guys. I want to pull out my phone. I want to show you guys exactly how much I made on my TEMU thus far. This little trick is actually called affiliate marketing. Okay, if you ever heard of affiliate marketing, or if you haven't heard of affiliate marketing, I will tell you exactly what it is right now. So you're gonna promote a product, whether it be clothes, whether it be the brand itself. And this is, you can do this for multiple stores. Okay, I just want to reiterate this, you guys. TEMU is not the only store that does this, but I am talking about TEMU because it's such a new company and a lot of people, new users, are coming in to try it. All right, so you want to get these new users in to try this. Okay, it kind of reminds me of like what is it called? Is it Avon, I believe, don't quote me. People that used to go to, you know, all their girls, and they used to sell makeup and stuff like that, and they used to get residual income for every sale that they make. So it's essentially that, okay, but it's just online, it's just virtual. Whether you start a YouTube channel, whether you promote it on your social media, or if you're really good with the word of mouth and you're looking to meet new people, listen, there's a lot of ways that you can make money on this affiliate marketing with TEMU. If you really have a passion for TEMU and you've been sharing TEMU with others and you've been having people download TEMU, every time someone downloads the TEMU using your link, you get a $5 $1 income. So can you imagine how much you can make if you get 10, 20, 30 people using your link? The possibilities are endless. Knowing that a lot of people on YouTube, they are constantly reviewing TEMU, and they don't know about this trick. They do not know that you can actually make money using your viewers, and then the new viewers that have not ever used TEMU, and you can actually make a residual income just by doing that. I really wanted to bring this out here because I feel like I was called to do so, because there's a lot of people that don't know about it. So every time you have 3 referrals, I believe you get 10. Let me just double check. Yeah, so every time you get 3 referrals, you get $10. Every time you get 10 referrals, you get an extra $20. And that's on top of the money that you are already making. So they're so amazing with bonus. So you're getting your money from your followers, from the people that are joining the TEMU app, and from the commission that you are making from people that are actually buying as first-time users. First-time users, you get 20% commission. That is a high commission, you guys. All right, 20%. Easy for you guys to get the link. I will leave the link below so that you guys can sign up. When you guys sign up, you can start sharing your code immediately. Really good for you to just test it out and have people, you know, try it out for themselves and use your code in the process. And I just got a lot of people on because they seen my stuff and they wanted to purchase it, and they seen a code, so they were like, okay, you know, a lot of people are very intrigued when they see a discount, you know. So they used my code, and in return, every sale they made, I made money. You know, I remember when I first made my first video, I made so much money. I was like, is this real? Like, I wasn't sure if it was real, because it was like the money was just coming in, you guys. It was just coming in rapidly. You know, so if you are getting views on YouTube, even if you don't have a channel, you know, if you are good with promoting, even if you aren't good with promoting, try it out. You know, it's not gonna hurt. Your first referral is gonna make you feel good, and you're gonna want to continue doing things that what you can to see if you can get more and more. All right. So this program is phenomenal. I really think you should try it out. Like I said, I have the link below so that you are able to try this affiliate marketing with TEMU out. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you guys have a first sale. Let me know. I'm really interested in knowing. And I just want to thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I'm now at, I think, 825 subscribers. Like I said, I started 4 months ago. My TEMU videos do so well. So I'm very grateful for you guys. I'm grateful that you guys are able and willing to watch. And I just want to thank you guys. You know, I have so much more in store. More TEMU videos, more TEMU content, more content in general. You know, I'm just gonna keep evolving and keep growing. I have been a little bit late because, like I said, I did go on a vacation. It was phenomenal, you guys, by the way. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. One love. Peace.